swerving, twisting raw. Shit, there go the law. Shit, what you do? I hear the corner, got too much to risk it all. Bumping 40, that's left hard. Do say smooth.
What's up, fam? Let me clear my thrizzle. What's up, fam? It's your boy Thuggish G35. Back in the hunt. Hopefully with a little quickie today. Got a little install going. But it's going to be a hard install because I'm not going to take my bumper off. It's my lip rods like I said I was going to put back on there. They were a bitch getting on there the first time. So by me having experience dealing with these, hopefully they don't be a bitch this time. So I'm going to set the camera down and get to cracking. I don't know what's up with the lighting, but I know it's dark as a bitch. I can't see shit. So it's gonna have to be what it be. Don't know how to use the flash on this thing. But I sure am gonna look that shit up because it could come in handy right now. This is the finished product, folks. Yes, I had to fucking take off the goddamn bumper, but it was not going to happen trying to get these on here. That's what I was doing, all in darkness. And yes, it is still dark as fuck. But yeah, finished project. That's what I was doing. I know the video is a little dark, but trying to get these little shits on. Have to pull the whole bumper off. Oh well. And no, the lights are still off.